Hey, how you doing? This is Rob at 607cash.com, and I'm going to just do like a little preview slash tutorial on doing a postcard campaign with automatic lead tools. I'm just going to show you how pretty much how easy it is to do a postcard campaign. Um, just give you a little background on myself. I've been in the television repair industry for about 22 years. I've been doing TV. I've been fixing televisions. The past 8 years, I decided to go on business for myself. And it's one thing that I've learned from being in business for myself is that you have to avoid the middleman as much as possible. Okay, and that means just try to avoid using third-party advertisers. Like me, I can use automatic lead tools, and I'll send out a phone broadcast to different restaurants and like sports bars and bars period, and let them know that I'm a TV repair guy in the area. If you don't know who to call, just give me a call. We'll do residential and commercial on-site service, and then next thing you know, I got enough calls last me all week. And then and then one thing about the sports bars, they have like multiple televisions there, and about two or three of them are broke. So I'm getting like two or three calls in one. So anyway, this is good for any business. I mean, if you're in business, I don't care what you're doing, whether you're doing Avon or whether you have a restaurant, you need this software. Trust me. I don't care if it's automatic lead tools or any kind of lead generation software, because it's going to become very beneficial for you. When it's usually slow, you're going to have business, okay, because you got some extra leads here that you're sending information to about your business. So as you can see, we're a data miner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to broadcast to a very open market in automatic lead tools, and that is brick and mortar businesses, okay. A lot of people are, advertising, to other marketing companies, and believe it, what I've found out is that other marketing companies or members of marketing, programs have been bombarded with other marketers trying to give them some information. So just do, show the benefits to a brick and mortar business, and I'm gonna send them a postcard about automatic lead tools. Okay, pretty much with my company on it. But this is how I was gonna like say. We'll just say in the city. We'll say Detroit. Okay, I'm in Chicago, so Detroit is is far away. So and then Michigan. Okay. And I'm going to say auto repair. Okay, Detroit, Michigan, car capital of the world, right? I'm sorry, of the United States. Car capital of the U.S. Should have plenty of auto repair places, okay? And as you can see, it's pulling the leads up. Go ahead and pause the video until it gets done here. Okay, as you can see, we got 2,668 auto repair dealerships. Now, of course, some of these, probably about half of these, are going to be duplicates, because what happens is that a lot of these auto repair places will advertise on more than one page or have a backlink to them. So we'll just go ahead and download the list. Okay, and then we'll just open it up, and it should open up in Excel or whatever type of spreadsheet program that you have on your computer. If not, get one. It's not expensive at all, So just Okay, so then what I do is kind of spread these out so I can kind of see what I'm working with. Okay, address, zip code, phone number, city, state, name of the company here. Okay, and I'm using Excel, so just go to data. Click that, okay, and then go over here to remove duplicates. And yes, we want all fields because we're doing a mailing campaign, okay. Okay, so like I said, about half of them were duplicates, okay. And then what we do, we just try to close it out, and it's going to ask us, do we want to save it? Yes, we do. Detroit, Michigan Auto Repair. Yes, we do. Okay. Save. Okay. We remove the duplicate, so we want to overwrite that. Yes, just hit yes again. Okay, CVS format is what we want. Okay, boom. Okay, so now we're back here. So now all we do is automatically saved in our extracted list. Okay, and we'll just look for that file, Detroit, Michigan Auto Repair, right? Okay, so we'll just keep going. Okay, here we go right here. Now, as we see these little printer icons right here represents that we went to Yelp or either Merchant Circle, and when you extract lists from those search engines, that you're going to get the ability to print mailing labels. Okay, and it tells you up here, if you hit that icon right there, it's going to put you into a printing format, so you can print labels and stick it on postcards. And we'll just go here. I'll just let you know. Okay, used cars. Where was we at? Okay, well, hold on. Auto repair right here. We'll just click that. Boom, and there you have it. Okay, you got each of these pages right here has approximately, well, it does have 20 different businesses on here, and you can just go to, if you get ready to print them out, just stick your label paper into your printer. That's all you need. Okay. You can just do if you want to do 20 postcards a day, or however you want to do it, just put just print out the first 5 pages. That's like 100 leads right there, 5 pages. Hit OK, and print the first 5 pages, and then the next day do pages 6 through 10, something like that. And that's pretty much about it. And these are the postcards that I send out right here. As you see, if you're doing a demonstration, you could actually tell, okay, Joe, Mr. Joe's Camera Shop, this is what I can do for you. Send out postcards like this right here. Okay, the same thing I just explained to you. Do the same exact thing if you're doing a presentation for someone, and just show them, just extract some leads, and then design a little postcard for them, and just save the picture of it, and just show it to them before you get there, and that's going to really impress them. You're going to have a postcard made up with the business on it, and this is the postcard that I use, 607cash.com. If you're going to do a postcard campaign, make it look as professional as you can. Try to stay away from using cheap postcards. I know me, and this is just my opinion. If I see a nice shiny postcard, looks professional, I'm going to look at it, I'm going to read it. If I get one with some scribble on it, I'm going to look at it, then I'm going to throw it away. Okay, so, and just think about it, people, if it's a nice postcard, it looks professional, and it has something to do pertaining to their business, they're going to, stick it in the drawer. Even if they don't respond, when they first get it, they're going to stick it in the drawer, and they're going to give you a call back, a week later, 2 weeks later, a month later. You know what I'm saying? And so that's pretty much about it. Like I said, be creative, keep it professional, as much as you can. That's what I believe. That's my way of doing business. Creativity is what we at 607 Cash. That's what we're going to do here. That's what I'm going to do for you. Show you how to use video marketing. I can show you how to do commercials that very inexpensive. I'm going to give you free registrations to about 3 different sites, which pertain to doing actual live commercials and doing things like voiceovers. Okay, when you do a voiceover, when you do a phone broadcast campaign, you do a voiceover. How cool would that be to have somebody hear Danny Glover's voice, or President Barack Obama, his voice, you know what I'm saying, or Ray Liotta, hey, how you doing? Your business is suffering, you know what I'm saying? So we do all. I can teach you how to do all of that. You got to stay in this business, and you have to be creative and do a lot of things different. And that's what I teach, because if you're making money, then that means I'm making money, and everybody else is making money too. So I hope this video was very informative for you. If you got any questions, give me a call back at 708-607-CASH, or just go to 607cash.com, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.